will now bring life to our family of dragons, the Sally Rennick, the Brian Roy, and the Jackie Harper, by giving them sight, taste, and power through the dotting of their eyes, tongue, and horns. The grant awarded the funds for marketing, to run a Learn to Paddle program for free, to train several SNCC members to coach, and then to purchase 2 new dragon boats and a trailer to pull them on. In Asian culture, the naming and dotting of the eye ceremony is about respecting the dragon and getting them into a good and friendly mood towards you, the team, and the community. You want the dragon's protection, not their anger. The ceremony, which is known as the eye dotting, is actually the awakening of the dragon, and traditionally is repeated each year after the dragon's rest during the off-season. When they awaken, they will surely be hungry.
It's hopeful that when people in the future are going to sit and paddle in either the Sally boat or the Brian boat, I hope that they are inspired.
This boat shall from now on carry the name the Sally Rennick.
And from this day forward, this boat will now be called the Brian Roy. Wish you wind at your back always, and good luck on the water.